part 2. First part, I had my earphone plugged in, so no sound worked. So I've let it drain after doing a rinse cycle. Now, with the plug open after all the water came out, I am going to put it on spin. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, darn it. Even though there's suction cups, it really wiggles around too much to really get any good spin. But a little bit of water is coming out of there. I only put the piece of cloth that I had covering my old icky air conditioner, because I cover it because it's so old and ugly. I don't even want to look at it. And I've been using it a couple times, and it leaks water out the bottom. So the cloth I'm using to cover it actually was wet and pretty dirty. You saw the water. So next I'll put these 2 cleaning cloths in separately after that wrings out. But see what happens when I don't hold it. It's all over the bathtub. I mean, it does serve the purpose. After this load, I'll probably do a few face cloths, because in the summertime, our face cloths don't really dry. We don't have a window in our bathroom, and I don't want any mold and mildew and ickiness, so I have to do towels and face cloths more often in the summer.